Hi guys, my name is Richard Stillman. Other people call me, my friends call me Stilly. Even my family calls me Stilly. I am 34 years old. I was originally born in Missouri. Lived around St. Louis area. I've been all over the United States. Thanks to the Army, I am in the U.S. Army. I'm a critical care flight paramedic, at least for a little while longer. I am medically retiring. I had a condition called atrial fibrillation, which is something old people get, but I got it at a young age. It was kind of rarity, so I am getting out. Um, my my passion is medicine. I plan to transition into uh, PA, physician assistant career, at least for the time being. I'd like to eventually be a cardiologist, maybe help people, that went through what I went through, maybe an electrophysiologist. Um, that being said, this is my family. I have some pictures posted of what I like to do in my family. My wife, Heather, or her Korean name is Chunga, and this is our dog Puka. Puka's like a half lab, half Korean dog called a donkey. It's basically the Koreans used to eat dog back in like Korean War when they were starving, and some still do it. So we actually rescued him from a dog eating place. So anytime he messes up, I'm like, you could be dinner. But so yeah, this is my family. Me and my wife have been married going on 7 years now. Um, and I did meet her in Korea. I was there in Korea forever. I was stationed there for 5 years. I've been in the army almost 10. Um, let's see. Oh yeah. So some of the other pictures. I used to be a big adrenaline junkie. I can't really get away with that anymore. So now I write, play video games. Might catch me golfing. Try to walk the dog as much as I can. So those are my hobbies. Also, okay, so I look forward to this class. I actually deal with a lot of chemistry in my job, a lot of the gas laws I have to know, like my O2 tanks. I can, the altitude and the pressure at altitude affects how my O2 tanks, how long they last. Even some of the air in my devices, if I'm not aware of like the low pressure and their ability to collapse because of the low pressure, it could be the matter of life and death. So I am familiar. Struggled a wee bit in Chem 1 with the formulas, but I understand a lot of the concepts, but I hope to build on that and strengthen my foundation as I go in further into medicine. It's good stuff to know. So I look forward to this class. Look forward to working with all of you. All right. I'll talk to you guys in discussion forums.